Yes.
I'm looking at doing the design course next year.
Is that what you want? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So what do you have a seat? So what do you want to know?
I guess I just really want to know what's involved with the course.
You know that this is one of the most popular courses in the first pro, and the reason is because we have this bridge building competition,
Right, yeah.
and then we have a second part which is more focused on design of buildings.
So obviously the course is mainly focusing on design. How does it work with building?
This is a team course, so the advantage is that you need to learn to work with people. You start from scratch, so you imagine that that whiteboard is your construction site, and you need to start thinking, okay, maybe you will have a river. What sort of bridge they want to have crossing the river? And that in 2 weeks you're really an architect. When you design a bridge, it's not just designing a nice structure, but you need to be sure that the bridge is in a nice context, so it's fitting very well with the environment. So this is where you actually are going to test your bridge. As you see, it's 4 meters long. There are 30, 40 bridges. What is important is that you take some pictures, you go on the other side, take some pictures. You can build cable-stayed bridges or suspension bridges. The thing is really to go and look on Wikipedia, look on the web, get inspiration for great design. Then in the next 2 weeks you become an engineer. You have to solve all the detailing, but then you actually become a builder because you have to build the bridge.
So where do you build the bridges?
We have a very nice lab. Here, this side, we actually test big prototypes. So you will have all this space. There will be pretty much 30 groups working all together. Each group will have a table, you will have all the material supplied, and you will have to build your bridge. And then the last week is basically you are actually testing your bridge. So you want to make sure the bridge fails as you expected. So you have the entire process in this course condensed in 6 weeks. I think it's something unique. Probably the only university in the world who does this sort of thing, and actually is the only one who has students falling into the river. I'm actually quite excited every time I need to teach this course because it's so fun.
I was just wondering about the building design.
The second part of buildings, you will go through a full design process. You learn about basic principles of timber design. At the end of the 5 or 6 tutorials, you will be able to design a timber building.
So pretty much in the course we design a bridge and a building in one course. Oh well, that sounds like a fantastic course.
So thanks. So I think I will give you a gift because it's been so good.
Thank you very much. And, I'll see you next year.